Bad's going on. This is not what it seems, I'm sure of it. Oh, okay. I gotta, oh god, she looks so creepy. What is she doing? Got like arms all stretched out. What the hell? Not feel good about this. Oh my god, there are all these cocooned people. Holy shit. There are eggs. Oh god. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh shit! Oh no, she wasn't a nice person at all. Fighter lady. That's so uncool. Why? Someone's gonna make you best girlfriend princess ever, and instead you had to ruin it all. She ruined it all! Alright, I'm gonna have to kill you, bitch. Hey, rock the boat, rock the boat. Shit, come on. Come on, shimmy out of it. Come on, shimmy. All your might. Go! Yes, awesome. Oh no, leave Mike Lee alone. Oh shit. Come on, kill him. Yeah, kill her. Yes! Nice. Alright, what am I supposed to... Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. That's right, because she'll fucking fall on me. Okay, that makes more sense. Hey, no, you ain't gonna do that again. No way. No fucking way. Fuck you. Leave Mike alone. Do not touch my little bro. Okay, now I get this. Oh, there we go. Leave him alone. Leave me alone. There we go. Nice. Okay. Gotta be careful about where she's gonna land. Oh, God, that's so creepy. Okay, okay, okay. Save me. Save me, Mike Lee. Nice. Awesome. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna fucking mutilate this woman that's trying to eat me and my little brother. Moving, Mike. Oh, shit. Alright, good running start. Let's go. Nice. Off the leg. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna fucking kill this bitch. Oh, you ain't looking so good, lady. Let's see if we can just hit her again. Nice, we did. Alright, grab this. Nice. Aw, she ain't looking so good. Hit her, nice. You, like, trying to hurt little boys? Nah. You're a mean person, and we're gonna kill you. Rip off your leg. Oh, fuck! Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh. Dad knows something bad happened. I'm no doctor, but I'm pretty sure a wound like that might kill you. Hoping this is a happy ending. Do not kill Nicksown off. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Right, well, we're gonna be okay. Come on. Oh. There's the tree of life. Alright, let's save Nicksown. Mike Wee's gotta protect me now. Can't do it. Hi. There it is, the tree of life. Oh, it's so beautiful. Fuck, I don't want to die. The game has a really dark undertone. Oh, geez, that's really bad. I don't see how anyone can survive that. Oh. I don't know if Jesus, that's a really bad wound. I'm hoping this game stays magical. I'd be pretty sad if they did that. Alright, come on, Mike Wee. Gotta save Nicksown and you gotta save Daddy. Gotta save two people, Mike Wee. You can do it. Oh, jeez. Okay. Go, go, go. Run with all your might, Mike Wee. Oh, God. Okay. Up, up, up. Go, go, go. You have precious little time, Mike Wee. God, it's so treacherous. Get the secret fruit, whatever it is at the top. Come on, go, go, go. Nice. Up, 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 up. All right, there we go. This way, this way. I'm going as fast as I can, but it feels so slow. There it is, the magic water. Drink to survive. Come on, grab it. Like Gatorade. Blue ice. Glacial freeze. That's the water of life. Come on. Gotta go, little bro. Let's do this, Mike. We can do it.